Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Group 5. Today we'll be going through a system called Job Application Portal. So what is this system and what does this system do and why we chose the system? We chose this system because the rate of getting a job in this generation is too low and this system will simplify the process of getting a job. So how does this system work and what does this system do? So this system allows the users to log in, register, and then find a job, the jobs that are available, and also track the status of the applications, and also be able to update their profile anytime or their CV. So this system is built in Python using a JSON. So what is a JSON? JSON is a file that where we store the data of the system. The system is divided into two files, which is the main program file and also the data file. So what does the main program file consists of? The main program file consists of the dictionaries, a list of the available jobs, the functions for registration, login, and the status updating, and also tracking. And also consists of the JSON functions, which is in the saved data, and also allows the users to load the data to make sure data is saved and loaded every time. And also the dashboard menu that lets the users choose what they want to do after logging in. So what is the second file that the system consists of? So the data file, also known as the JSON file, is where the users save their information, such as the users and also the applications. So how in users, it stores the account details and the profile information, and also the application stores the job application link to each user, or the status and also the job and when it's applied. So my colleague here will continue how the system works and how these two files cooperate.
Mhm. As our brother said, this project has uh, two types. The main program is our main program is the dashboard or login system. Our main program is login system. We shall exclude our system, our project. As we know, our project, we said, our brother said, it has registration and login and exit. First, we have to register. We know when you are getting a website or application, you have to first register or sign up, and then you will log in. First, we have to register. For example, we will give name. We will give name. Selecting number one for registration, we give name. Mhm. And then password, it will ask you the age, and then Gmail. After getting we register registration successfully. After registration successfully, we have to log in. We select the number two. We have to enter the number, the username we entered first, and then the password. We incorrect the password, we will say invalid login because we made incorrection. And then we are main part of dashboard. We have few jobs, few jobs, apply jobs, and track application and update profile. Mhm. Few jobs it will show you the jobs that are available. As we see, we selected now few jobs. We have software development, data analysis, and network engineering. And then number two is applying job. So here we have three list of job. It will give us option of selecting. Let us select number three, network engineering. After selecting our job, it's in applied for network engineering successfully. Now we have to track our process, to know our job is acceptable or non-acceptable. Number three. Our status is pending. It means we are requested, still we didn't get got acceptance. Number five is update. Mhm. Here it's saying enter a new age. So we started age and then Gmail and then CV. So here it's saying enter a new age. If you want to change, you can put the Gmail. If you don't want, as we seen here, leave blank to keep currently. So it means the age we put last time 25 will be given. If we press another age, it will be changing. Let's make 19 and then enter Gmail. So let us say another Gmail. Then the CP we can leave or either we can put. Mhm. So profile updated successfully. Now we are again in dashboard. Our system it has five parts. We checked view choice, we checked apply choice. The second one we checked the right application, and then the fourth one is update profile. So now again we will look the other program of how the data JSON key is. So let us press log out and then number three exit. Mhm. It says goodbye. So as we see in here, we put the name and password and then the age. Last time we put here 25 the age and then we change it and we update it. And then here is the email. We put some another email and then we update it. So the JSON has two parts. This part is users allows to store the username and password and age and email and CV. So the other one application is stores job and status. Job and status. This is what our program does. Welcome.
So, in conclusion, the project, the project was again. So while concluding our project, this project demonstrates how Python can be used together with JSON to come up with a what? A simple job application system with a permanent storage using JSON file. So different Python concepts such as functions, dictionaries, lists, file handling were used in this program. So this program helps to register, view available jobs, and submit application in an organized way, as seen in the what in the program below. So that's what we had for our presentation. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.